Ultimate World Cruise Tea Time. I'm John, your virtual world cruiser. It's day 93, part 2. Let's talk. Our lovely Christian is still feeling seasick. It's going to be a very interesting 16 days for this poor man. We're here for you, Christian. We're pulling for you. Please feel better. Go get the shot. Here's a brief compilation of his Insta and TikTok videos.
This is a mess. Oh no. I'm really scared that the entire cruise is going to be like this. I'm just going to be nauseous. Apparently I can go to the medical centre and get an injection that helps with the seasickness, so I'm probably going to do that. Thanks, every plate, for this amazing opportunity. Hello, Christian speaking. Officially run out of water. I was going to go and... Oh my god, that's so lovely. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Bye. That was the food and beverage director, Derek, calling because they'd seen my TikTok of me being sick. It was so lovely. He offered me to bring me food. They bring me a case of water. It's very nice. Hello, how are you? Okay, well that certainly is a case of water. Thank you to Derek, who's the food and beverage director here. And also thank you to Sebastian. I can't help but feel I've been treated so wonderfully by what Mark went through. So Mark and Derek, thank you so much. Thank you.
I love that they got him a whole case of water. It is fantastic, but his fridge fits like 3 bottles. It's yeah, that's why it's all over the couch. Talking about Mark Sebastian, I forgot when he got on board, he complained that they didn't have any hangers nor water. I remembered the water, so I did include it in my last video. But this snippet from Christian's video of yesterday, yeah, check it out.
Look what the gorgeous Every Plate team did. Hangers. They've given me hangers. Oh, look, Every Plate even goes with the colour scheme of safety. And, oh, thank you, Every Plate. Bottled water.
Bravo, Every Plate marketing team. Brilliant. Very nice catch and well played. Now, for more behind the scenes crazy drama with Christian Hall, highly recommend going to check out his Spotify podcast. I listened to both episodes today, one 30 minutes, one 15 minutes. They're well worth it. You get some very awesome behind the scenes tea, like his Pinnacle badge and going past people in the Pinnacle line. You know, just a little teaser there. So go check it out. Here's the lovely image you're going to look for on Spotify. Oh, the link to it is in Christian Hull's bio. It's on his LinkTr.ee. Go check it out there. Looks like there's drama forming around the Tinder ports that are coming up more than the communication issues we had earlier. Just saw Christy 50 and Cranky post on her page that she had to wait 2.5 hours in line to get Tinder tickets. Thankfully, she does have them, so she'll be able to Tinder. Not sure what other part of the drama there is currently. Hopefully, she will spill the tea soon. Now, for those of y'all at home playing Christian Hall Ultimate World Cruise Bingo, I have an update for y'all. We got thrown up, getting lost, and crying. Heard from like 2 or 3 people that there is some murmurs, some secrets, something going on behind the seas on the Ultimate World Cruise. We don't know what it is. We don't know what it relates to, but there are murmurs and they're spreading. So if you have any information on what secret ordeals are happening behind the scenes, please let me know. You know me. I'm always looking for tea. That is all I have for you currently on day 93, part 2. I hope y'all have a fantastic rest of y'all's evening, day, night, and I will talk to y'all again tomorrow.
9-month world cruise around the world cruise top Royal Caribbean Serenade of the Seas Tea Time Ultimate World Cruise.